What's good, everyone? Thanks very much for tuning into this video where I'll be unboxing a couple of extras that I've purchased for my new Vitamix blender. This is the blending bowl starter kit and the 590ml blending cup. In an earlier video, I did an unboxing and initial review of the Vitamix A3500 blender. One of the things that I didn't like was that it only came with one container, a 2-liter pitcher. For such an expensive product, it would have been nice to include at least one smaller container, such as a to-go cup. Anyway, let's take a look at these Vitamix blending accessories that I picked up to go with it. So we've got the blending cup starter kit and the to-go cup. Starting with the blending bowls starter kit. The top of the box actually arrived partially ripped, but the seal was still intact. In the box we've got two lids, the two 225 milliliter blending bowls, the blade unit, which also works with the blending cup, and a care and use guide. In the box with the blending cup, we've got the lid, the cup itself, which has a volume of about 590 milliliters, a small multi-page Start Here booklet, and the same booklet also comes with the blending bowls, and we've got another care and use guide. Both the blending bowls and the blending cup are part of the self-detect set of containers which work with the Ascent Series Blenders. When connected, the blender will know which container is being used and, according to Vitamix, will automatically adjust the blending settings as needed. On each of the lids and on the blade unit is a plastic red seal that's removable for easy cleaning. And the lids that came with the blending bowls, those can also be used with the blending cup. The spill-proof lid that comes with the blending cup has a carabiner on it, so you can attach it to a backpack, for example. So we've got the blending bowls and the blending cup, and this first recipe we're going to use the 600ml blending cup. It is a coconut Pina avocado smoothie, and the ingredients call for ice cubes, chopped pineapple, half of an avocado, some fresh lime juice, coconut milk, and agave nectar, and I'm actually substituting that with honey. Actually, it's a quarter of an avocado, not half. Give it a try. Oh yeah, that's good. The blending bowls can be used for smaller portions of recipes, for chopping ingredients, milling spices or grains, plus also making dips, breads, dressings, and the bowls have volume markers on the side, something the blending cup does not have. So my first impressions of the Vitamix blending cup and blending bowl were pretty good. The blending cup is double-walled, so it should keep beverages cool for extended periods of time. It does not have any volume markings along the side, so you'd need to measure out your contents with a measuring cup. There is only one marking at the very top that simply says maximum capacity. One thing I did notice on both of the blending cups, and I don't know if this is just a manufacturing blemish or just the way that the cups are made, but along the edge you can see see a bit of a haze along the lip, but when you look at it straight on, that haze isn't there. These are part of the Smart Select series, so the base unit and the blender know which container is connected, so it can adjust the blending times, and these only work with the A3500 and A3300 blenders. So thanks very much for tuning into this video. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, please consider sharing it, and please consider subscribing. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.